Hi, welcome to my 2025 Notion Vision Board tour. I know it's already a little late, but it's never too late to plan for your dreams, right? Today I'm so excited to share this gorgeous and super easy to use Notion template that will help you manifest your goals, stay on track, and make 2025 your most intentional and inspiring year yet. Before creating your vision board, let's talk about intentions. Everyone is all about creating vision boards to manifest their goals, but you might wonder, how do I even start? What should I focus on first? Here's the secret. A vision board isn't just a big lot of Pinterest pictures, it's a visual representation of goals, dreams, and the energy you want to bring into your life. This template helps you begin by setting your intention. You'll find a section to reflect on what you want this year to feel like, whether that's growth, balance, creativity, or adventure. Think about the vibe you want 2025 to have. This vision board is your space to visually bring your dreams to life. Add aesthetic images, quotes, and affirmations that align with your goals and inspire you daily. Pinterest is a great place to start. Search for places like dream life aesthetic or vision board inspiration. You can also find beautiful images on Canva, Unsplash, or Pexels. Feel free to add as many images as you like to make this section uniquely yours. And here's the fun part, Vision Bingo. This playful section turns your goals into a fun challenge, presents a mini goal or milestone, and your mission is to complete as many as possible. As you complete its vision, click the bingo button to mark it as finished. Don't forget to add the completion date. Feel free to edit or add new vision by clicking the plus new page to make your vision bingo challenge uniquely yours. It's a fun way to stay motivated and track progress throughout the year. Now, let's get serious about those dreams. In this section, write down all of the goals you want to accomplish this year, whether it's launching a new business, mastering a new skill, or reaching financial freedom. This is your dedicated space to get focused and organized. To add a new goal, click the plus new page. Be specific and realistic. Assign to an area of life, set its status, and adjust a due date. Break down your larger goals into smaller, actionable steps. This makes even the biggest dreams feel achievable. All your action steps will be neatly displayed here. Simply check off the box when a task is completed to track your progress. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So let's turn those wishes into real plans. Success comes from consistency, and this habit tracker is here to keep you accountable. You can fully customize this tracker to fit your lifestyle. Click on the habit property to edit or replace it with your own habits. Feel free to delete existing ones or duplicate a habit to add new ones. Don't forget to update the total habit count and progress bar to keep everything accurate. For the sake of keeping things simple, edit the default template by clicking the drop down a row, selecting edit, and updating the total habit number. Repeat the exact same steps for other days. Once done, every time you click the plus new week habit, the total habit numbers will already be filled correctly. No need for manual updates. Now you're all set to check off your habits daily and see if you got it straight. Monthly planner. This is where you plan and organize your to-do list and monthly events or important dates. There are two sections, to-do list and monthly plan. Click the plus new page to add a task, then fill in the details like type and priority. Every database in the template has different views. Explore them to have a different visual display of your data because we love options. This monthly plan is perfect for scheduling important events like appointments, deadlines, reminders. I love adding cute emojis to event titles. Just type colon followed by a keyword to find the perfect emoji for your event. The clean and organized layout makes it super easy to plan everything without feeling overwhelmed. Let's make every month productive and pretty. Gratitude and reflection. Gratitude is the heart of staying grounded and positive, and this section is here to help you make it a habit. Each monthly page comes with a pre-designed template to guide your gratitude and reflection journey. Just click to get started. Take a few moments each month to reflect on your wins, challenges, and lessons. Think about what went well and what you're grateful for and what you can improve. And prompts are included, of course, to make it super easy to capture your thoughts and feelings. And there's more. This section also features a yearly reflection, beautifully organized into categories. It's the perfect way to celebrate your wins, identify areas of growth, and set tone for even a better year ahead. And look at this beautifully organized homepage. It's so pretty and simple to use. Everything you need is neatly arranged here, and if you want to explore more, just click the pages in the navigation bar. The quick add feature makes it so easy to create a new page in seconds, saving you time and effort. And the summary section is the perfect little snapshot of your vision board. You can check your progress toward your goals in the cutest way. I absolutely adore it. And there's a full tour of the 2025 Notion Vision Board template. This template is your cozy little corner to dream big, plan with intention, and stay inspired all year long. Whether it's setting meaningful goals, tracking habits, or reflecting on your growth, this space has everything you need to make 2025 your best year yet. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. I hope this template brings you as much joy as it brings me.